Hey everyone, quick update for Tuesday, January 14th. Kind of a wild ride in the market today. We had PPI pre-market, so that was right here at 7:30 a.m. Central. Had a big pop up, and then kind of traded sideways into the open, and then down all morning, ripped higher, and then fell apart in the afternoon, and then ripped back up to into green territory to close. S&P up 19 on the day, NASDAQ up 40. So pretty tough conditions to trade. I had a couple of 0 DTE iron price action iron condors. Had a really nice profit on one, and then I entered another one here when things started consolidating and got stopped out on this big flush. And I did have a couple of reverse iron condors that were winners. They were just kind of discretionary, looking for potential moves, and definitely got those. So those hit some profit targets. My British iron condors were red, had a couple of double stops. This is just the absolute worst price action for British iron condors. We either want price to stay steady or go in one direction, but these big V-shaped swings, those wreak a little havoc on British iron condors. But so gave back. I gave back what I made yesterday on those. Didn't do a Mahomes because I didn't have any strikes available. Calendars, I did close out a few calendars for some small profits. A 1-2, 1-3. Closed those out prior to CPI tomorrow morning, and then my 6-7 booked about 9% on that one. Let's see, what else did I do? That's about it. Had a little day trade in Tesla that was a winner. But that's about it. So for tomorrow, CPI. So PPI was kind of the warm-up. Data came in cooler than expected and got an initial pop. Didn't hold. Like I said, it had some kind of a wild price action during the day. But tomorrow is CPI, so this is the big one. As it relates to inflation-related data. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. In addition to CPI, we've also got bank earnings. We've got Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, and I think some other financial institutions, Schwab, all reporting tomorrow pre-market. So along with the CPI pre-market, a lot of banks. So could see some action tomorrow as well. I'll be keeping kind of my delta neutral type strategies very light, and trading a little bit more directional, trying to see if I can't jump on the ride of whatever direction it chooses. A little indecisive today. If we look at a daily chart, you can see we had that push down the last couple of days, a bounce late yesterday, and then a little continuation today after the wild ride. So my guess is we're going to continue higher. It looked like we had a little stop hunt on some of these recent lows, flush those lows, and I would think that we're heading higher, but that's just a bias. So I will read price action and go from there, but I will do a lot of day trading and directional stuff tomorrow. So look forward to it. Should be fun. Catch you tomorrow.